Today's spotlight video is Chanel inspired. These designs debuted in my Throwback Thursday playlist. Want a closer look? Then keep on watching. Hello. Welcome back to Wild Things Creative Crafting. Subscribe. Click the bell to receive all new posts and like this video. Tell me what you think about these two beautiful wall decors in the comments below. These two pieces are Chanel inspired. Here I added fairy lights to the back. Without fairy lighting. Check out these glamorous highlights. So much for watching Wild Things Creative Crafting.